Hi, this is Nicholas Vardy, editor of the Oxford Swing Trader, and welcome to this week's edition of Swing Trading Nick's Picks. In this series of bi-weekly videos, I offer viewers like you a sample recommendation of the kind of actual recommendations I make for my paid subscribers at Oxford Swing Trader. And if you never want to miss one of my swing trading videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way, you'll get instant notifications when I post a new video. And if you're new to swing trading, check out my Swing Trading Explained video to learn how it works. There's a link to that video in the description below as well. Finally, I've just finished a terrific conversation with Russell B., a happy subscriber to Oxford Swing Trader. If you're interested in learning more about swing trading, again, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Now let's get into this week's video and our new swing trading recommendation. Founded in 1870 and based in Irving, Texas, Exxon Mobil Corporation, ticker symbol XOM, is the world's largest publicly traded oil company with a market cap of $234 billion. It has operations around the world, ranging from deepwater drilling off the Australian coast to conventional drilling in the Middle East. In February, Exxon reported big losses. Still, the oil giant's results were better than expected, and next quarter's earnings should be even better, rising in line with the oil price. Income investors know that Exxon is a big dividend-paying stock. CEO Darren Woods told analysts that Exxon can maintain its quarterly dividend of 87 cents with Brent oil at $45 a barrel, while $50 would allow the company to reduce debt or return capital to investors. At the time of this recording, Brent is trading at $62.46. Now, all this does not mean much for us short-term swing traders. We're focused on short-term moves in a stock. With Exxon, the primary trend of the stock is up. The stock has pulled back from this primary trend, triggering a handful of Oxford Swing Trader algorithms. And we are looking for a rebound to this primary upward trend. So let's take a look at these swing trade parameters. The last closing price of the stock as of this recording was $55.22. The trade setup is as follows. The swing trader algorithms fired on the channel system, the overreaction system, and the triple screen system. The stock is also oversold on the relative strength index. The stop loss for the stock is $51.50, or about 6.7% below its closing price. The target price for the stock is $62.60, or about a 13.4% gain. The action to take here is to buy Exxon Mobil Corporation, ticker symbol XOM, at market today. Set your stop at $51.50. So there you have it, a real live Oxford swing trading recommendation from Oxford Swing Trader. Now, just to be clear, I can't guarantee that all my swing trading recommendations will be winners. And remember, Oxford Swing Trader recommends an average of 2 swing trades like this each week. So you'll have plenty of opportunities, about 100 a year in fact, to generate quick gains using swing trading strategies. And for my paid subscribers, I also always offer an option recommendation along with each pick. These option recommendations have the potential to really turbocharge your returns. Again, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next edition of Swing Trading Nick's Picks. That way you'll get instant notification when I post a new recommendation. And if you want even more trades like these, then I urge you to check out a conversation I recently had with Russell B., a happy subscriber to Oxford Swing Trader, at the link in the description below. Or you can call our sales team at 888-570-9830 to learn more. Stay tuned for my next edition of Nick's Picks 2 weeks from today. Thanks for watching.